Hi, I'm Teddy from SinoGate. In this video, I will walk you through the application procedures for Wenzhou University. Wenzhou University accepts applications through its online portal, and we are going to demonstrate how you can conveniently begin your application process through it. The first step is to visit the website study.wzu.edu.cn and then register for online application by clicking on the registration button on the right side. Then fill in all the information in the form as shown in the picture and click on register. After registration, you need to enter the email you have used for registration and check the username and password and click the activation link to activate your account. Next, open the page and fill in the username, password, and verification code. Then click on sign in. Next, enter the application homepage after signing in. Click online application to enter application page as in the picture. From there, choose the program you're interested in and click on Next. On the next page, select the type of program you're applying for, whether undergraduate, master's, or Chinese language. You can then fill in the query option information such as department, research field, major, and teaching language, and click Find. Choose the program you want to apply from the list or of available programs and click Apply. The next step is to fill in your basic information. Note that fields marked with an asterisk means that they are compulsory. If they are not filled, the application will not be saved. When filling in nationality, country of birth, native language, religion, and occupation, students need to click on the inverted triangle on the right side of the box and choose from the drop-down list. Nationality and country of birth could also be typed in the box and push Enter to confirm. For birth date, please select year, month, and day in the calendar and then click on OK. Please make sure to check the information filled in carefully. Name as on the passport, gender, date of birth, nationality, place of birth, and passport number. For personal photo, please click Add your photo, choose a photo from your local machine, and click Open to upload. The photo upload should be passport size and the format should be JPG, JPEG, or PNG. Next, fill in the study plan as required. Click Save and Next when you finish as in the picture. Then fill in educational background as required. There should be at least 3 items in educational background and employment information. If there are more than 3 items, please click Add to add more items. Here are important points to note so far. Please upload all documents required by the program you apply for. That is, among others, the photocopy of the passport pages with photo and address, graduation certificate, transcript, passport or ID card of guardian, and guardian guarantee letter. If the applicant does not have a passport, please upload the required documents after obtaining one. All documents should be no more than 1.5 megabytes. There should also be authentic and should not be substituted by other documents, otherwise the application would be regarded as invalid. Also, the guardian should be a person with income, hence should not be a student. If necessary, the university may contact the guardian about issues concerning the student during study. The next step is to fill in the information which include family status, financial supporter, and emergency contact as in the following picture. Then the next step, which is very important, is to fill in home country address, current postal address, and the way to collect admission notice. If the applicant chooses to have admission notice delivered to the address provided in application, the address can be copied from home country address or current postal address or filled in the boxes. In how to collect the admission notice, you can choose either delivered to address provided in application or collect at Wenzhou University in person. Please note that if you choose collect at Wenzhou University in person, then it means the admission notice does not need to be delivered and the applicant will come to the Overseas Student Affairs Office in person to get admission notice. If you choose delivered to address provided in application, please fill in the care information, click copy from my home country address or copy from my current postal address or type so as to make sure the applicant shall receive the admission notice on time. Exchange students must submit detailed contact information for receiving their admission notice, which should be contact information of their home university department in change of outbound exchange student affairs, including contact person, mailing address, zip code, telephone number, and email address. Click Save and Next to move to Application Form Preview. In the Application Form Preview step, applicants may review the field information as in the following picture. If there is any mistake, you may click the corresponding steps on the left to correct it. If all information is correct, please click Submit. Please note that the information is not to be changed after submission. Therefore, make sure the information is correct and the required documents are uploaded before submission. After you submit your application, please pay close attention to inbox, as in the picture, and the email used for registration. If there is any problem for the application or more documents are needed, we will contact via email or correct or add. The applicant may also inquire application status from application query. If the applicant passes the first interview, first of all, congratulations. The next step will be paying the application fee. Whether exchange students need to pay the application fee should be in accordance with the agreement. Please pay the application fee in time. It can be paid by the Chinese bank card or international credit card. Every applicant should submit only one application. If there is any mistake in the application, please contact us at application@wzu.edu.cn to change. Please do not resubmit application. If there is any problem concerning application system, please contact us through the contacts provided on the picture. That is all for this video. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.